Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lago. I'm very excited today. This is my first video in which I'll be talking about electronics. I have a project. I'm trying to set up a Wi-Fi business in the west coast of Africa, and I do have my access points. I'm trying the open mesh, access point. I'm also trying the ubiquity mesh. Okay, and my concern was uh, trying to have a good antenna that will help me extend my range, because those access point comes, each of them, some of them comes with their own antenna, and the range is not that great. I have the ubiquity. The range is not that, doesn't cover a wide area. So I was trying to see how I can get something that will boost my range, such as an antenna. So I was searching online, and I came across um, a website called SimpleWifi. Those guys have all kinds of antenna that can serve my purpose, and they have omnidirectional. They have the panels, and they have so many stuff. And what is interesting about those guys on that website is the simplicity of those antenna. You don't have any configuration. It's good for someone who has no knowledge on networking, who doesn't want to go through the pain of configuration. Because if you want to deal with ubiquity and unify, and have no knowledge on of networking, it will be a pain. Okay, so those guys kept it very simple. Okay, the antenna are straightforward. Got my antenna, and let me show you to you guys. This is my antenna. I just received it today. Okay, this is the antenna, straightforward. So we have the antenna in the back. What do you do? You just, they do sell cables. So you have a cable. I bought this one. I bought it in New York. You just take your cable, attach it in the back of the antenna, the panel coming from Simple Wi-Fi. Then you take your device, your access point. Here I'm using the open mesh. I will also try the ubiquity, but I only have one. I'll try to get a second one and see and test it with the antenna. But I'm sure to work. And I tried. I did it. It's cold outside. I went outside and did my setup. Plug the antenna from the back of the plug the cable from the back of the antenna to the to my open mesh access point. This is my setup. Okay, and trust me, I was very impressed. The antenna did really what it's supposed to do. The I had a very good range out of the antenna. The antenna really boosted my the Wi-Fi coming from the device, the access point, and I was very happy. I went down the block all the way down, something I could not do using the device with the antenna that came from it. Okay, this panel from Simple Wi-Fi really did a great job. I was impressed about the range of the antenna. Um, I was able to walk all the way down the block, and I was receiving the Wi-Fi coming from the device, from the access point, and I was very happy. This is my first antenna. I think I'm gonna try all the antenna, and guys, I recommend you to go and check it out. All right, so this is antenna from Simple Wi-Fi for someone who has no knowledge, who don't want to go through the pain of doing configuration like when you go to Ubiquiti and Unify. This is simple, straightforward. Get it from the box, just plug it, place it somewhere high, and that's it. The range is extended. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so happy. So, guys, from SimpleWifi, keep it up. So, I recommend you guys to check it out. SimpleWifi.com. Go there and check it out. Thank you, guys.